Hello again, and we're out in Wales again, and as you can see, we're at Penmon Lighthouse. Now this morning on the last vlog you'd have seen where we was in the rain, the wind, it was brutal up in the mountains, and as we got walking back down the mountain, we've all discussed what we're going to do next, and we wanted a little bit of a rest, but there's another reason as well, and that is because the skies were going to clear. So, and the wind has dropped a fair bit and it's quite peaceful, so we thought, let's go Penmon. But there's another reason, and it's a reason, if it happens, it's going to be spectacular. So I'm going to leave it there for now. Fingers crossed, it's going to be spectacular. If not, we're still going to stop in the vans. We've had an absolute blast. What a couple of, well, 24 hours, 36 hours we've had, and we've still got another day yet. And we are loving it. There's actually 7 of us now. We've had Lloyd, because I can't pronounce his first name, and I really do apologise. I've had Lloyd come and meet us as well. So he's here tonight. He's not stopping. He lives localish, so he's going to come. And he's come and met us today. He's working tomorrow, unfortunately, so he's not going to come and meet us on his our meet and there's little workshops that we've got going, and that's back at Ridvey tomorrow morning. So we've got to get up early. It's that time of the year, end of March. The clocks are changing, so we're going to get an hour less sleep. So that's a disaster. So something else we're going to have to deal with. Okay, so yeah, a couple of images I've got down low, trying to get some nice reflections in this water here. The sea's quite a way out now. It's sort of, I think low tide is 7 o'clock-ish, so as the sun sets it'll be sort of low tide. And then we're going to try and do some, let's say, some night photography. That's what we're going to try and do. But it's not about that, it's about enjoying it, and we're loving it. Okay, let's try and get some more images and then see what happens. Look at that, what a view. So we've all having a little go at photographing this log. It's a lovely bit of driftwood. Well, we've all had a little go at it. I'm certainly not, certainly struggling anyway. I think Colin's actually got the best composition, so maybe we need to pinch that at some point. But no, it's nice. It is nice. It's nice. The driftwood's lovely. That little bit of light catching it is lovely. We've sort of been struggling with the shadows of it, let's say. I've come down quite low and took an image of it, and I've also took an image like almost sort of fine arty of just a bit of this pebble beach with the log side on, and then the sky behind. I don't think I've got any sea in it at all, just the sky, because this pebble beach comes up quite high. I had a thought of that earlier when we went a little walk around. It's just something totally different. Whether it works or not, I don't know, but we'll see. But yeah, we're going to actually lose that bright sunlight shortly. It might stick on the lighthouse itself, which it looks lovely. That bit of side light on the lighthouse looks really nice. I'm just going to go move over to Lloyd to see what he's taking, to be honest, see how he's getting on. I find it extremely interesting what other people are doing, and getting in their mindset, and it educates me, so I love it, absolutely love it. I can't believe the difference it's like 2 different days, absolutely. This is more like a mid-spring day, that was more like a winter's day. All right, okay. Have a little look at Lloyd, I think, see how he's getting on. Penmon Lighthouse is located on the eastern tip of the Isle of Anglesey in North Wales. It was built in 1838 and is still operational today. The lighthouse stands at a height of 29 metres, 95 feet, and has a range of 10 nautical miles. It was designed by the architect and civil engineer James Walker and is constructed of limestone with an iron cast spiral staircase leading up to the light. Okay, so we've come back down to the beach to hopefully capture Milky Way and maybe, just maybe, the Aurora. It's got potential. So that's what we're doing. We've got an image set up, took a couple of shots, and it's looking pretty damn nice, to be honest. And I'm actually pleased anyway about the shot. So yeah. So I'll get back to you as soon as anything happens, really. Oh, can't believe it, guys. I've captured a shooting star. I'm absolutely chuffed to bits about it. Could not believe it. Yeah, so taking the mickey. Yeah, so I'm absolutely chuffed to bits about that. So yeah. Very nice image as well. So hopefully it's nice and sharp, etc. I have got a trail of a plane next to it, so I'll get rid of that. But yeah, really chuffed. No actual sign of the Milky Way as yet, and no sign of the Aurora. Right, okay. Think we're managing to pick up the Milky Way. It's just very faint. But we are managing to pick it up, which is it's nice. Still no Aurora yet though, and it's looking pretty. Yeah, but we'll see. We'll give it a little bit longer. Okay guys, no Aurora, we're going to give in. So I'm going to end it here. If it does kick off and we get a notification, we've only up in the van here, so we'll jump out of the van and we'll try and capture it then. And if we do, I'll let you know. But yeah, I'm going to finish it here. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've had a fantastic day, and catch you on the next one. I know, because I've just gone to switch it off, then now my light's on my head, isn't it? I'll do it on my own, thanks. Because you're just going to make me laugh. Thank you very much. Okay, so we've come back down to the beach. No, stop it, stop it. I can't see, I can only see the light. Please, leave me alone, I'm going to be here till about 2. I can't see you, the light's too bright. I know you're there, but I can't see you. Yeah.
Absolutely stunning.
Yeah. 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 I got this image, it's absolutely stunning.